Hello. Today we are going to talk about pointers again. Pointers are its connection with the strings. So let's have a talk on that. Two words about that. First, let's know what is the string. So string is a sequence of many characters, and in string what happens whenever we use it, it is terminated by a null character and looks like this one. Null is slash and the 0. So it is terminated by that null character. It's very simple. So here is a string 1 and we are assigning hello. So this is for initialization. Here is next string. Its size 10. So its size is not given here, but here we are taking the size 10. Means maximum 10 characters only it can accept, means string. Whereas in first case it takes default shell. And next is the character by character. We can also initialize that in 0 location H, in first location E, and 2, and so on. At last we have to put the null character. So how to access that? To access that, so if we want to access all the characters, then we have to put %s as the specifier. If not, then we have to put here %c, means character by character we can access serially. So this one, nothing more we have to do here. And in string input and output, we know that actually we have already made this video. We have to use this scanner, or we can also use that gets. For string manipulation, we have to use strlen, strcpy, strcat, etc. These all are the functions we can use in string manipulation. Like we are copying 1 to 2, and we can print that we are copying this string to string 1. Similarly, we are comparing and storing the units that return value in that result. Now, main theme is there how to access that string using the pointer. In some videos, we have already seen that to access the string using pointer, simply we need to declare a pointer, and after that it must be a type character, and we can access from the first location. Arrays of characters. A pointer to the first character string can be used to navigate. Means first of all we have to target to the first character, and after that we can move to second and third and fourth and so on. Accessing characters in a string using pointers. To access characters in a string using pointers, we can use pointer arithmetic to traverse. Traverse means traveling from initial character to last character. We can use the increment or the decrement. So suppose here is an example. We have here hello. Now we are using the PTR, that is it's a character type of pointer. So we are storing now this strings first character address, that is answer to this pointer. So writing this means it is going to store first address to this pointer, since we know that. And to access the value we have to dereference it, and to dereference we have to put this indentation operator. And we also know that string it is terminated by a null character, so we have to put ptr not equal to null character. That's all. And we have to print it. If we want the value we have to dereference it. If we want the address, then just referencing is needed. And to change the location we have to put ptr plus plus. It's very simple. So let's go through example. Let's create a new file here. Let's declare a string first. Let's declare a pointer here. Now I just said that we discussed string it is terminated with that null character. Means at the end of this string we can find the null character, and here is a pointer to the character. So what we need here, just we have to put the first location, that is assignment. It stores the first address. That is key character, means it will store key. Now next is let's print it. Printf the first address is show p pt. return, and then let's save it. Let's run the program. Sorry, it's ptr has to be. We can see here we are getting the first address, and that is a key character. Now if we want to print all the addresses of these all the letters, so how to go for that? Let's use the loop here. So while ptr, we have to go for the dereferencing, ptr not equal to null. So we are using here null character, since the string is terminated by using this null character. So now we have to change the location, and to change the location, what we need, what we need here, we need here ptr plus plus. Let's save it. Let's run the program. So look here, we have got all the addresses. In Kathmandu, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So obviously 9 addresses would be there. 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 addresses are there. It's very simple there. Means we can apply increment or the decrement on pointers. It's very simple. So this is the pointer. It's ptr, it is storing first address, and to change that we have to put ptr plus plus. Now let's see what would happen there if we dereference it. So same thing we are getting here. So there is no change in the output. Means there will be no difference. But suppose if we want to print the value, to print the value, what we have to do, we have to dereference it, this one, and value equals to C. So ptr gives us address, whereas to dereference it we have to put indirection, and that's it. So nothing more we have to do there. Let's save it, run it. So look here, so we have got all the letters and all the addresses. So this is how the pointer is connected with the strings. If you have any questions, you can ask me. If you don't have, then find them. So this shows the connection between the string and the pointers. And using same concept, we can add some other programs. So nothing especially there. So instead of writing, we can also apply the index value. So ptr plus, if we are applying the any other variable, then we can also use that ptr plus index value. Now one example is that how to copy strings with pointer. Mostly we use strcpy to copy the strings. Now how to use the pointers? So let's see this example. So src, this is the source and this is the destination. So source, that is hello, destination we don't have anything there, so we are using here two pointers, source and destination, and this we have copied using strcpy, copy source to destination using pointers, and we have printed from here. So that's all, nothing more is there. So it's very simple. Similarly, concatenation we can also do here. So let's write this one program destination. We can do copy and paste it. Let's do. So string 100 equals to, let's give here first string 2. So it is empty. We are going to copy this string to this one. So this is two pointer. So char first pointer is 51. Let's assign string 1. Next char 82. Let's assign here string 2. So strcpy pt1 to pt2. Yes, pt1 to pt2. So let's print. uh, in pt1 there is string1. So what is happening here? String1, okay, fine. pt1, pt2, pt1, let's copy to pt2, fine, it's okay. Let's put string2 here. Now let's use first say HSL. Suppose here is string 1 and here is string 2. So let's try this. If there is any bug, it's first fine. We are getting here now. So using pointer, how to do that? Let's check it out first. So this is the first method we can apply. Now let's go for the second method using this pointer. So what we can do here, so in that previous program, what we did there, we used the loop. So let's go for the loop. So while now we are going to copy from string 1, that is first to string 2. So we have to use loop for the string 1. So that is pt1. So let's use pt1 not equal to 0. Sorry. Now to copy, let's assign the value, that is pt2. pt2 equals to pt1. We have to change the value, or we can set the location. So for that, pt1 plus plus, and we have to also change the location of pt2, that is pt2 plus plus. It's fine. At last, what happens in pt2, the string says that there must be a null character, so we have to also assign that. So that is pt2 equals to null character. That's all. Let's see if there is any bug. We'll uh, change the code. So copied string is string 2. Fine. Okay, let's run the program. So here is the output. So we can see here first. So this is how we copy the string. We can also go for the concatenation, etc. And there is one question there. What will happen there actually if we print this pt2? So let's go for that. If we put pt2, so let's run the program. So it is showing null there. Means last character is null, so it is being shown there. It is not showing all the characters, and this pt2 it has helped to copy the string from 1 to 2, and to know and to display the string copy in the string 2, we have to use this character. I hope you understood about this one. If you have any confusion, just use the chat box. If not, find there. So this was about the copying. Any questions there? Similarly, some other programs also can be written there, like concatenation and string comparison and many others. So this was about the pointer and string connection. In very simple way, we can write a program using loops or without loop. So any doubts here? No? Okay, so one thing more we can do there, if we want to print this pt2, we can copy this again loop. So let's try this loop, and let's put it here, pt2. So pt2 it is also terminated with that null character. So let's print it here from here. So C pt2, and we have to change the value. So pt2 plus plus. That's all, nothing more with that. So let's run the program. One pt2, it's 1 plus plus and 2 plus plus. Find there. So pt2 it is storing null value. So again, what we have to do there, we have to change the location of this. So let's do one thing. Let's take one pointer here. So p equals to what is the name here? String 2. So string 2 here. Let's use p. Let's use p. Let's use p. Let's see what is going to happen. So here is first. So what was the problem here? Actually, initially it was storing null character, so it was not displaying anything. So what we have done here? So string 2 it contains the copied string, and again same mechanism we are going to apply. Means first address of this string 2 we are going to copy to p, and we have to run the loop in same way as we did here. I hope you answer this one. If any confusion, just use the chat box. If not, find the. Let's see if there is anything else here. So this was about the string and pointer connection, or we can say interconnection, and some other programs we have already done and we have already discussed in the previous video. Okay. So tomorrow again we'll be discussing some more about the videos and like pointer with the structure, returning multiple values, type def. So these all are the different topics we have to discuss, and tomorrow I'll discuss on this. Thank you. And so if you like this one, then just go for the subscribe button. You can share with your friends. You can join me at 4 p.m. Between 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, thank you.